Are you looking for the top 5 irons and garment steamers? In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at some of the best 5 irons and garment steamers on the market today. Before we dive in, we've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check those out to find the one that fits your style and budget. Number 1. Rowenta Iron Steamer for Clothes. This clothes steamer handheld device provides a combination of vertical steaming and horizontal ironing, delivering exceptional results. Equipped with a 7.1-ounce tank, this steamer iron for clothes offers up to 12 minutes of continuous, uninterrupted fabric care, perfect for tackling any garment. The advanced reversible pad system effortlessly removes dust and lint. With 1,875 watts of power, the Pure Force Clothes Iron becomes a handy steam cleaner for clothes, featuring 5 customizable steam settings to cater to every fabric type. Save time with the impressive XL Soleplate, providing 300% more steam for efficient and precise ironing. This portable clothes steamer is lightweight and features an 8.5-foot core for convenience, ensuring you can maneuver with ease. The steamer for clothes also boasts an auto-off function. Number 2. Steamer for Clothes 1500W Large Soleplate Clothes Steamer Iron. Pretty moment garment steamer with a power of 1500W heats up quickly, and steam is produced after 20 seconds of preheating. Clothes steamer has 3 ways to steam clothes: hang ironing, dry ironing, and steam ironing. The hand steamer always maintains a constant temperature to prevent the Soleplate from getting too hot. Auto off after 15 minutes in dry iron mode. This professional garment steamer built in 3 adjustable temperature levels. It's suitable for all fabrics, such as wool, silk, fiber fabrics, cotton, denim, curtains, sofa, toys, etc. Strong steam easily through and softens a fabric fiber structure, quickly eliminating wrinkles on the clothes. The steamer for clothes is equipped with a large 400 milliliters water tank that provides up to 25 minutes of uninterrupted, perfectly balanced fabric care without the use of any detergents or chemicals. It comes with retractable hooks and 6-foot power cord that allow it to be hung on any rail and iron at any time, which is very convenient. And the special exterior design makes it easy to store and save space. The clothes steamers features an extra-large ironing panel with 5 steam spray holes. The spray area can reach 7 feet, providing excellent penetrating power to quickly remove wrinkles from clothes surfaces, ensuring precision and efficiency in every stroke. Number 3. Conair Handheld Garment Steamer for Clothes. Smooth out your look, experience the power of the Conair Handheld Garment Steamer for clothes for easier steaming. Advanced steam technology is driven by an exclusive 1875-watt steam generator. The clothes steamer comes with 5 steam settings, from delicate to supercharged turbo, to allow users to instantly release wrinkles on any garment or fabric, and a built-in creaser for perfect pleats and folds. With 40-second heat up and up to 20-minute steam time, this powerful Conair steamer for clothes with 3-in-1 attachment has a silicone band to pull fabric taut for easier steaming, a delicate fabric spacer, and bristle brush to loosen fibers for faster steam penetration. A lengthy 9-foot cord makes for convenient handling. Instantly release wrinkles, refresh upholstery, and give garment a professional, fresh-pressed look with a powerful Conair Turbo Extreme Steam Handheld Fabric Steamer. Number 4. Steam & Go All-in-One Garment Steamer and Iron. Professional Steamer Iron. Keep your fabrics fresh and crease-free with Steam & Go's all-in-one garment steam iron. Our clothing steamer has a built-in iron board, a hanger with garment clips, and all the attachments you need to make steaming a breeze. Effortlessly dewrinkles fabric. This hand steamer for clothes features 1500W power to remove wrinkles and creases from garments. Unlike a regular ironing machine, our laundry steamer moistens your fabrics fibers to make them easier to press. Safe to use. We designed premium steam press irons with a patented Cool Touch hose to protect your fingers from getting scalded. Each standing steamer for clothes also has an on-off foot pedal and thermostat control for steam intensity adjustment. High-capacity tank system. Now, you no longer need to constantly refill your shirt steamer's reservoir. This fabric steamer for clothes has a 1-liter tank for water or any steam liquid. Per refill delivers an impressive 30 minutes of continuous use. Easy to store, Replace your heavy, bulky dress steamer with our modular garment steamer for clothes with stand. This iron steamer is lightweight and compact. You can easily fold its telescopic aluminum bars into a folding rack and store after use. Number 5. GKJ Steamer for clothes. Experience revolutionary handheld steamer performance. Our 2,300 Pascal suction automatically grips fabrics, enabling true one-handed operation without an ironing board. Perfect for tricky areas like collars and seams. Just glide and watch wrinkles vanish. The ultimate garment steamer for busy lifestyles. Outperform traditional irons with steam recycling tech. Powerful suction penetrates fabrics 3x faster in a single pass, delivering professional clothing steamer results in seconds. Ideal for last-minute touch-ups before meetings or events. Never wait for damp clothes to dry. Our handheld steamer delivers ultrafine vapor that dries instantly, so your outfit is ready to wear with no rings or residue. The secret weapon for business trips, weddings, and daily rush. Master any fabric with this vacuum steamer for clothes. Tackle sturdy materials like denim and cotton in suction mode. Switch to suction off for safely refreshing delicate silk and lace. All with salon quality care from your versatile clothes steamer. Upgraded 118 milliliters per 3.99 ounce water tank delivers up to 10 minutes of continuous steam. 30% larger than standard portable steamers. Handles 3 to 6 full shirts per fill. Compact yet mighty, this travel steamer is perfect for home use and travel. Real-time temperature calibration prevents heat damage. This portable steamer for clothes releases steam only when fully heated, eliminating sprays and burn risks. Start steaming delicates or daily wear in 30 seconds. Steam confidently